Welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another Halo minifigure thing. I had fun with this last time, so I'm going to do it again. So we're just going to open this up. See what we got. Now this is pretty thick plastic. It's tough plastic. Give me one sec here. Open this thing up. She does not want to open up. Oh. Yeah, we could just do that. And I think we got the rare one. Yeah, this guy right here, I think this is the special rare one. I believe all these Spartans are. I believe all these characters from Halo Reach. It's surprising because this is for Halo Wars. This is a Halo Wars kit. Oh, we have instructions here on the back. Some partial instructions. Not really for this guy. Just see here. Everything goes on. Okay, that's a shotgun. Need his chest plate. Just the front of it. I believe this is supposed to be the back of it. Just trying to show you. Alright, there we go. Just let me take a look here at the instructions. Looks like we have these shoulder pads. Attach those to each side. Whoops, dropped it. Alright, let's put his head on. This is his belt thing. Oops. Keep on dropping him. There's a lot of pieces here. Okay, these are knee pads. Okay, this goes into here. I think. Might go on his. Let me just take a look here. These instructions are pretty terrible. These aren't very good instructions. Alright, let's see here. This piece go on to here. I'm going to put on his what are these knee pads? Let me just take a look here. This might take a few minutes. Nope. Alright. This leg goes on like this. And this goes on to here like this. Alright, here we go. Almost there. Got his foot pads on. Let me just take a look here. Looks like it's just an extra piece. So I'm not seeing anything on here. Well, we're just going to count that piece as extra for now. Whoops. Keep on dropping pieces. Alright. Let's see here. Got his bulldog shotgun. He's ready to roll. I'm just gonna put this extra piece like right here by his foot or something. Yeah, I'll set it somewhere so this Spartan is ready to go. Alright, there we go. Got him and a jackal. So I'm going to show you. This is what we did in the last episode. Got him. Got two. Now I can make him fight. So if you like what you're seeing, like this video and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.